iba is letter D. So to be honest, disregard nyo na po yung letter D. Hindi po applicable yung letter D. Yung essentialist. So, hindi na po applicable yung letter D. Let me check. Mga classmate mo to, Kamaw. Huya ka sa, wala ka to classmate? Huwag ka to classmate sa Egbon? Tika. So, disregard nyo po yung letter D. Hindi na po applicable yung essentialist kasi yung essentialist, the basic R po yung hint ng essentialist, the read, write, arithmetic, and the right conduct, the 4 R's. So, yan po yung keyword ng essentialist. So, disregard nyo po yung essentialist. Okay, the correct answer from this, you are correct. Letter A, essentialist. Existentialist, I mean, sorry. Existence. Kasi humanities di ba? So, for those na hindi pa naka-follow, kindly follow and like this live and paki-share po para updated na yung ibang nating mga follower na nagla-live tayo today. Yes po. Yes, Suzy, mali po yung sagot mo. But don't worry, bawi sa next item. Here. Yes, good afternoon din po, Sir Jenny, Ma'am Jenny. So, 116. So, pakibasa nyo na lang everyone. So, sa mga gusto mag-avail ng reviewer, General Education, Prof Ed. Okay. No worries. General Education, Prof Ed, Majorship, Pre-board, Macboard. You can message me everyone if you want to avail.